Was a plastic bag with white rock in it. Her aunt is in the hospital. She should not even be here. That she's not here.
And why shouldn't she be here?
Because you're not supposed to be here.
Calling on the door like that.
I was trying to get your attention. I'd like to speak with you, Auditor.
My attention more if you're standing in front of the door. Or I can see who's at the door.
Oh, I need you to listen to me.
Ridiculous.
Okay? You are on probation.
I understand, but this is ridiculous.
Okay.
On May 28, 2023, officers responded to a neighbor's tip about suspected drug dealing outside an apartment complex. The woman contacted identified only as Jenny was on probation for methamphetamine possession under Wisconsin Statute 961.413 AM. Officers invoked Act 79, a 2013 Wisconsin law codified at Wis. Stat. Section 302.1137M. Act 79 authorizes warrantless searches of persons on extended supervision for drug offenses when officers have reasonable suspicion. The statute's operative phrase is critical. It extends to the person and to property under the supervisee's control. Jenny was not in her own apartment. She was in her hospitalized mother's unit as a temporary guest, with no lease interest. That distinction is the constitutional core of this encounter. Officers asserted authority they did not clearly possess.
Selling drugs outside the goddamn building here. We don't want it here. Yeah. We're not going to have it.
Yeah.
And, yeah, it was a plastic bag with white rock in it. Her aunt is in the hospital. She should not even be here.
Are you?
She doesn't live here.
Who are you?
I live next door. I deal with them fighting and arguing all freaking night long.
Okay.
And I'm the one who called.
Oh, okay.
So
I
where's
said,
this woman right now?
She's in apartment 110.
And she's visiting somebody in 110 in the story?
No, she's in the hospital. She's not here.
Okay.
Right.
And she shouldn't be here. That she's not here.
And why shouldn't she be here?
Because you're not supposed to be here. The homeowner isn't available. Well, that I'm going to take up with the office on Tuesday. So that's
kind of where we run into a little bit of a hiccup.
Right. That I'm going to do with
Is
the office.
the homeowner the aunt who's in the hospital?
Yes.
So, but we don't know if the aunt has given her permission to be in there.
Yeah, but she's been in there longer than you're supposed to have company. So.
Okay.
But that I'm going to take up with the office, but she's not going to be dealing drugs out here.
Nope.
No, absolutely.
That's a total other issue.
Right.
That's what we're addressing right now.
Yeah.
That she's there.
Well, I can definitely
that's a whole nother
try
thing.
and have a conversation with her about that. As far as making her leave, I can't do that.
No, that'll be addressed. Actually, that'll be addressed on Tuesday when the management gets back, and I'll deal with that.
Okay. The apartment number she's in?
110.
110?
Yes. And I will.
All right. Perfect.
Yeah, the first one around the corner there.
Okay. Go ahead. Do you know her name at all?
No, I do not.
Who's the homeowner? Do you know who that is?
I think it's her. I think it's her daughter that is her mother that lives there. I guess.
Do you know the name?
Name?
Her mom's name is.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Hi, I'm Officer Dupuis with the police department.
Calling on the door like that.
I was trying to get your attention. I'd like to speak with you, Auditor.
My attention more if you're standing in front of the door. Or I can see who's at the door.
Oh, that makes sense.
Why would you sit there?
What's your name?
Jenny.
Jenny.
This is Jenny.
Jenny. Oh, your mom. Is it your mom that's in the hospital?
Yeah, no, she's not in the hospital.
Oh, she's not.
No, she's at the nursing home.
Okay.
But I just came here to clean today. Dad hasn't been here for a few days.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, so I'm going to visit her in a little bit here.
Gotcha.
Now, why?
How are you doing?
Fine.
Okay.
I'm doing fine.
Okay. Okay.
Even though I don't have a problem, but just went outside and was letting my friend in. He was going to go with me to see my mom, and some lady was talking to me. So I asked this lady her name, and she
really?
couldn't tell me because I don't live here.
Oh, okay.
But earlier I talked to this lady this morning when I was here, got here, and started cleaning because I'm cleaning carpet and stuff for my mom before she comes back.
Yeah.
And she had just asked me questions about her, but she was being really nice, but then she's being really rude tonight. You know, and it's just like, well, whatever.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah, so I said, well, I'm going to report that lady yelling and screaming at me for no reason.
Yeah, well, that's kind of why we're here to talk about that.
Yeah, that was what the issue was.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Other than that,
Who else is home?
Nobody's. No, this is my mom's home. Nobody else lives here but my mother.
Yeah, who else is here right now?
My friend Randall.
Oh, okay. Randall. Yeah, so what I'd like to kind of address, the reason I'm here is a couple of things. Sounds like management hasn't okayed it yet as far as you staying here long
I haven't
term.
been staying here long term.
Okay, well, I'm just telling you what I'm being told.
Yeah, I'm
Okay.
aware of it.
Okay, so,
Mom's aware of it.
okay,
Yeah, we
yep.
got a letter about it.
Oh, you did?
Yep, so she has an inspection on the 30th.
On the 30th?
Yeah, and I'm going to be here for that for her. She's
Okay.
not out by then.
Okay.
That's
And,
why I'm cleaning-
is
that's why I'm
Randall-
cleaning for her.
Oh, sure.
Because she had the carpet need to be cleaned. but then
Randall, is he living here too then with
She
you,
doesn't
or?
live here either.
Oh, just
I don't live here
visiting?
either. I don't live here either.
Okay.
I've already said that to you how many times now.
Well,
You're trying
there's
to
a
change
difference.
my thing.
No, there's a difference
I can
between.
be here. I can stay here once in a while. I'm on my mom's power of attorney.
There we go.
That's what. So the lady, the management does know this.
Okay, and
She's-
I
she's aware
wasn't
of that.
aware, and
Oh
so.
yeah, so management is aware of it.
Okay.
And my mom, due to her going in the hospital, she was going to put me on the lease because of power of attorney,
Oh, okay.
so that we didn't have this issue.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Gotcha.
So that was we were going.
Any idea how long time frame
It was
of?
only supposed to be for a week or something, but.
Okay. Well, and that's
why I'm going to go there and find out today.
well, you can't today.
I can't what?
Well, you can't talk to management today.
No, my mom.
Oh, the mom.
To see
Okay.
how long she's going to be there.
Yeah. Well,
Yeah,
then
no, I know they're going to be here on Tuesday.
Yeah.
On the 30th,
Yeah.
I'll talk to them.
sounds
I'm
good.
aware of all that, yeah.
Okay. Which
On
hospital?
Tuesday and Thursdays, I know all about this. There's these other people that are
Spelling
talking.
negative on paper.
Oh, okay.
Yeah,
Sounds good. All right.
I'll
So,
be up here on July 20th.
on paper for what?
OWI and bail jumping possession of methamphetamine.
Oh, okay. So a 963 offense. So the other topic that I'd like to address with you today is the reason we were called here was a report that you were outside and you were dealing drugs.
It wasn't. That's a lie.
Okay.
That's a lie. I
Okay.
was outside, and Fred Stafford from room 303 was up out there in a cigarette, and I was talking to him.
Okay.
And Randall came walking up, and he was talking to me, and I said, let's go on, we'll just go inside,
Okay.
because I'm not ready to go yet. He said, okay. And this lady screams in here about doing a drug deal, and I walked outside and said to her, are you talking, excuse me, are you talking to me? And Ben, short little Ben,
So you shouldn't have anything on you right now that's
I don't
illegal?
have anything on me.
Okay. Don't dig in your pockets. All right.
No,
Have you heard of Act 79?
I don't know.
Okay, so when you're on probation for an incident that's related to drugs, an Act 79 search allows an officer to search you anytime there's reasonable
My
suspicion.
person, or-
Your person,
Yep.
your apartment,
It's
your
not my
vehicle.
apartment.
It doesn't matter if it's yours, you're in it.
It's my mother's
It
apartment.
does not matter.
Yes, it does, because she's not here.
For an Act 79, it does not. So let him
Okay,
finish
so
his
I
statement.
need you, at this point,
What are you guys insane? I didn't do anything. Go and get the cameras. I didn't sold no drugs. They're lying.
I'm going to tell you
Tell
once
me
right
this.
now, I need you to
This is
listen to me,
ridiculous.
okay? You are on
But this-
probation.
I understand, but this is
Okay.
ridiculous.
Okay, turn and face the wall. I'm going to...
Randall, I'm going to. I don't
Okay,
have
stop.
anything on me.
Okay.
Sir, stop.
Stop or you're going to be
I
placed
have
in
a
a
cigarette in my
handcuff.
hand. I don't have anything on me. This is ridiculous.
You're on probation,
see
so it's
this
not
is-
ridiculous.
Yeah, it is.
Why are you tensing your arm up?
You just want,
Stay in the room, all right?
you just want her.
We're just going to
Randy,
detain her for
I
right now.
didn't even do this.
Stop it! Right now. She
I
can
don't have anything on me, I said.
stop.
I just
Stop.
I- you
Stop
gotta
so I can
stop.
properly put on the handcuffs.
Oh my God.
Otherwise they're going to hurt.
I'm telling you, I don't have anything.
That's fine. But you're being uncooperative.
No, I'm not. You guys are just pushing me around for no reason.
Look, we're
That's
trying
fine.
to explain things to you, but you are refusing to
I'm not
listen.
refusing. I said you could search me, ma'am. Yes, I did.
Did she? I don't think
Yes, I did. I said I didn't have anything on me.
it's a little different than
Oh.
saying yes.
Just bathroom.
Okay, can you stop
Face the
moving?
wall. We're not here to screw around, all right?
Stop pushing on me. I'll be fine. Just tell me to
Stop
push me.
moving.
Push me up in here.
Yes, because you keep.
No, they have anything. I don't deal with drugs. I don't do drugs.
How long have you been clean?
Treatment, man,
How long have you been clean, Jenny?
for 7 years.
Seven or
Yeah.
70?
7. I've been in treatment.
Okay.
I relapsed. Okay, so
You want me to switch with you? Where'd you get that pocket?
I'm not looking at it. Pretty.
I can switch with
I
you.
don't have anything on me. Oh my God. I don't have anything at all.
Hey,
That's for my keychain.
yeah, that's
It
fine.
broke.
Hey, it's fine. Are you sure it's only been 7 days? You're just the emotions just are up and down.
I suffer anxiety
Okay.
and depression. I don't
Okay.
need to keep them up.
Sure.
Sure.
Go ahead.
I mean,
You don't have anything in your bra, do you?
no, I just pretend I didn't do anything. No, I'm serious.
Yeah, that's fine. So under Act 79, if we have reasonable suspicion, we can search you,
That's fine.
and that is what we are doing. You're placed in handcuffs because of some of the behaviors,
Okay,
but
but that's because I'm.
you were not going to justify the behaviors.
feeling
I'm
like
just.
I'm being over by these people. I mean, they're.
Do you have other place to
Send over
stay so
here.
it's not that's not here so that you don't
I have
encounter
been
that?
staying somewhere else. I just
Okay.
came here to clean today. Literally, I swear.
Where else are you staying?
My girlfriend's
In where?
Superior.
All right. You have a way to get there?
My bike.
You have a bicycle here? Okay. How about Randall?
Randall has a bike that he uses, another one of mine.
Okay. Is he using today?
He said, no, he is not. I promise you, he is not. He doesn't use.
Okay.
He doesn't even use.
I had
Did you
them-
get a return on him at all?
No, they're gonna look it up.
Helene up against the wall.
Sure. Thank you for calling, and I encourage you to get in touch with the management,
Oh, I am.
and they'll hopefully be able
They're
to.
fighting until 3 in the morning. And
Yeah, I hear it below me. I'm listening to
yeah,
music
he
on my
lives upstairs
headphones.
and I
Oh,
live
yeah.
next door.
And it's like I can hear them moving my music and I shouldn't be able to hear that.
How long have they been like? Because she denies staying there. How long have they been staying there?
What has it been, a month or more now?
Yep.
Yeah, over a month.
Okay.
More.
You can't, shit, I can even have my headphones on and hear them coughing down there.
The lady that we escorted out, was that the one that you saw?
Yes,
Yep.
Did you all? Oh, did you all see?
I did because I was helping my
I
friend
didn't
walk
see
her
it. I
dog,
was walking my dog
and
when I
I
came
saw
up. They
a
were
clear
screaming.
bag with a white rock pop out of a pocket.
Yeah, I was walking my dog and I come around the corner and they were screaming because she's like, you need
Number
not to be
401.
doing drugs here.
Yep.
So saw the white rock.
Yes.
It was a clear plastic baggie. You said.
Yes.
How big was the rock?
I will say roughly around
Pretty
that.
small, but big enough that you could see,
Yeah,
what it was.
roughly around that size.
Okay, and it was a white rock.
Yes, that's what I saw.
Did it look kind of crystalline, kind of?
Kind of.
Not
yes.
powder.
It didn't look like powder to me, no. But she ran and picked it up real quick.
Well, I saw her bend down and pick something up quick. I didn't get
Oh, it fell out of her pocket.
Yep.
Mhm. I didn't see any of that. I just heard the arguing when I came up.
Okay, who was
And
she
they told me
arguing
about
with?
The drugs. With the girl that just
With
went
Oh.
my friend Kelly.
Okay,
because she told her that we don't want drugs around her.
yeah, right.
She started screaming around.
There's
stuff.
plenty of
And
that
then she
here.
asked me, she's like, well, who is that girl? I said, somebody who lives here. And she didn't like that comment either.
Yeah. When she picked it up off the ground, did she put it back in her pocket?
Yes.
Okay. Yeah, she didn't have anything in her pocket when I talked to her, so she probably set it inside or something. But what do you do? So, did you see anything worth noting at all, or?
Just her pick up bag.
Yeah,
That's about it.
gotcha.
Aside from them two going back and forth when she came back out, trying to sit there and be like, "You got something to say to me?" You
Yeah,
got something
she
to say
wanted
me?"
to try to fight too.
You mentioned that you were aware that they'd been staying here for 1 to
Yeah.
2 months.
Yeah, at least.
Since you're kind of a witness, do you mind if I just jot your name down?
Go for it.
Sweet. Perfect.
I promise you, I wouldn't lie to you guys. I don't
Okay.
have a problem. I don't have a history of lying to you guys either.
Okay.
Hey, Brandy, did we get anything back on Randolph? He's on paper.
Can I take this off?
Not yet.
I haven't done anything. I'm not. What the?
Yeah, he's in the other. He's in the apartment as well. What is he on paper for? He's on for first-degree murder and burglary.
34 and a half years ago.
Yeah.
34
All right.
and a half years ago. Yep. He doesn't do drugs.
Sounds good. It was in 1987. I've met him before, and I know that that's true. It's been a long time. He's been out for like 10 years now. All right. Well, thank you. All right. Bye. He used to live over. He has like a garage sometimes that's right off of like right by the shack area. That's where I first met him. Does he still have cancer?
Okay. So nothing
No
that we
Act 79
can.
for that one.
Right. All right.
I'm sorry that this situation even happened, you guys, but
I'm sorry too.
I'm just irritated about
Yeah.
when she rattles off. Like I said, Randall, come inside. We'll just talk when we get in here.
Yeah.
She's probably,
So-
me and Randall were just talking about this. I go, she probably just assumed that. And
Well,
he's like, and
no,
I go,
we
I
were
could
told
see
there,
that.
there was no exchange of a little baggie or anything.
I
like
swear
that?
to God, on my kids, no. And my mother, I swear to God, no. I don't even do that.
When was the last time you did that? When was the last time
I
you
don't
used?
sell.
When was the
7
last
days
time
ago.
7 days ago?
Yeah, then I relapsed, but I am in
And what'd you
treatment.
use then?
I'm in treatment.
What did you use at that time?
I used at that time.
Okay.
But I haven't used since then.
Okay.
And I was in,
Have you met Wes?
I don't think so.
that's my older brother, but we don't get along.
So they both. I know you guys don't get along. I've dealt with Wes a lot. I've only dealt with you a couple of times, but that was years ago. And I know both you guys have kind of struggled a little bit with substance abuse, and that's kind of the drug of choice.
Yeah.
Okay.
And I'm signing up for mine drug of choice is not meth. It's usually marijuana.
Is there
That's
anything
what-
illegal in this apartment right now?
No.
Okay.
It's
Well,
not-
like my
I said, I came
partner
here to
explained,
clean. You know what I mean? That's what I came here to do. I do not live here. I came here to clean. It's not my apartment. So
I understand. However, you were inside of this, and you were temporarily inside of this. Your presence under the Act
it doesn't
79
matter.
search.
No, it doesn't. Not unless I live.
Do you understand what Act 79 is?
I do not even
Okay,
never
so
heard
then
of
it does not. So then, why are you trying to tell
I
us
don't-
what it is?
Because I don't live here. I was just leaving.
Yeah, that's fine. He's explaining to you that it does not
So
matter
if I
if
grab
you
my,
live here or not.
well, I'll grab my purse. You can go through my.
No, we're gonna go through the entire apartment.
Is the are you kidding me?
Okay.
No, you don't. And I don't want a search warrant. Yes, I want a search
No,
warrant.
we're doing it under Act 79.
All
You
right.
can
Well, I
look
want
it
to
up.
see what Act 79 is. Then I want to see what it is. Then
That's fine.
I want to see. Randall, don't open the door.
No, that's fine. We
Randall-
can just go to the jail for resist obstruct.
Oh, come
So
on.
we'll just
Give me a
stay
break.
there and we can.
Give me a break. Stop it. I didn't
Randall, open the door
do
now.
nothing, Randall.
What? Jenny.
Open the door.
No, we're not done with the door.
Door.
No,
Randall,
we're
open the door.
Get on my foot.
I need my shoes.
No,
That doesn't
Jenny,
You
stop.
guys didn't do nothing.
You're gonna seriously, if you don't start cooperating,
I didn't do anything. I swear to God.
I'll
No,
take her to the jail.
I swear I didn't do anything.
No, you're under arrest for
I didn't
resist
do
obstruct.
anything.
Well, you're under arrest, so.
But I didn't do anything.
Yes, you did.
That's the people that lie.
You were under arrest for resist obstruct.
Kelsey,
I
if you want me to
didn't-
transport, I can.
I got it.
I'm comfortable that resist.
Sure.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm sure.
Get in.
Big break.
She just thinks she didn't resist obstruct because she's already in handcuffs.
What's that?
She doesn't think that she resists obstruct because she was already in handcuffs.
All right. I don't think there's a whole lot else to do here.
No, just
You're good to transport?
Yeah. Just,
Yeah. Thanks, Kelsey.
no worries.
Let's examine the constitutional framework. In United States v. Knights, 2001, the Supreme Court held that a probation search condition authorizes searches of the probationer's own property. Sampson v. California, 2006, extended that logic to parolees, but neither case resolved the third-party home question. Minnesota v. Carter, 1998, addressed the standing of temporary visitors. The court found they have limited Fourth Amendment protection. However, that ruling governed standing to challenge a search, not the government's authority to conduct one without a warrant. The leaseholder, Jenny's mother, was hospitalized, absent, and never consulted. Her consent was neither sought nor obtained. Under Peyton v. New York, 1980, warrantless non-consensual entry into a home is presumptively unconstitutional absent exigent circumstances. No exigency was articulated on camera. Officers did not attempt to obtain a search warrant. The legal basis was Act 79 alone. Jenny raised the objection directly. The apartment was not hers. Officers responded that her physical presence inside made it applicable. That position is legally overbroad. It would effectively allow Act 79 to follow a probationer into any private space they enter. That interpretation would swallow the Fourth Amendment rights of every non-probationer who happens to be in the same room. Georgia v. Randolph, 2006, adds a second dimension. The court held that a physically present co-occupant's objection forecloses a warrantless consent search, even when another co-occupant consents. Jenny's objections were clear and repeated. While she is not the primary occupant, Her explicit refusal is legally significant under the Randolph framework. The second issue is Miranda. After being placed in handcuffs, Jenny was questioned about drug use, relapse, and apartment contents. Under Miranda v. Arizona 1966, custodial interrogation requires prior advisement of the right to silence and to counsel. A person is in custody when a reasonable person in that position would not feel free to leave handcuffs satisfy that threshold. No Miranda warning was administered. Jenny disclosed a relapse 7 days prior, her drug of choice, and denied contraband inside. Each of those statements, made during custodial interrogation, without Miranda warnings, is subject to a suppression motion. The third issue concerns the arrest charge itself. On camera, an officer stated she was arrested for resisting a traffic stop. There was no traffic stop. The contact occurred at a residential apartment. That charge description is facially unsupportable. The legally available charge, if the underlying detention was lawful, would be WIS. Stat. Section 946.41. Resisting or obstructing an officer. But Section 946.41 requires that the officer be engaged in the lawful performance of duties. That element is contested here. If the Act 79 search of the third-party apartment was unlawful, the resist charge may not survive a motion to dismiss. Under Wong-Sun v. United States 1963, evidence and charges derived from an unlawful entry are subject to suppression as fruit of the poisonous tree. The chain of illegality matters. The fourth issue is the use of criminal threats to compel compliance. Officers told the subjects, "Open the door or go to jail for resist obstruct." Using the threat of arrest to induce entry where warrant authority is legally questionable is functionally coercive consent. Courts have consistently distinguished between consent freely given and submission to a show of authority. Bumper v. North Carolina, 1968. If the door was opened because of that threat, rather than voluntary consent, the entry is legally indistinguishable from a forced entry. Now let's evaluate each party. Officer Dupuy receives a C+. His initial contact was professional, and force was proportionate to resistance under Graham v. Connor, 1989. However, he failed to administer Miranda before custodial questioning, and he overstated Act 79's reach without adequate legal grounding. The secondary officer receives a C. His use of resist obstruct threats to compel entry into a legally contested space is the most problematic conduct in this footage. It introduces coercion into the consent analysis. Jenny receives a B-. Her legal instinct was sound. She correctly identified the ownership flaw in the Act 79 argument. Her physical resistance, however, provided the basis for the obstruct charge and undermined her otherwise valid constitutional objection. Randall receives a B. Facing supervision on serious prior charges, his decision not to escalate was tactically rational. His compliance under threat, however, is legally distinguishable from voluntary consent, a distinction worth preserving in any litigation. The department receives a C. The apparent training position that Act 79 follows the probationer into any space they occupy reflects a systemic, overbroad interpretation of the statute's plain text. 3 lessons from this encounter. First, probation search conditions are tethered to the language of the statute. Property under the supervisee's control is not the same as any property the supervisee is physically present in. Second, Miranda applies the moment questioning begins in custody. Handcuffs are custody. Waiting until booking is too late. Third, a legally questionable detention does not become lawful because the subject physically resisted it. The underlying authority must be independently valid before resistance becomes obstructing. Let us know if there is an interaction or legal topic you would like us to cover in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to check out our second channel, Audit the Court, for even more police interaction and courtroom content.